Hey guys, and welcome into today's video. My name is Jason, and today we are going to be reviewing Alpine 4 stock. We're going to be doing a technical update as well as some brand new news that has come out, and we are also going to be updating two stocks, guys, that you need to throw onto your radar. One of those stocks has sold off significantly from their 52-week high. Over the last 2 months particularly, they are down over 30%. This is a blue chip dividend paying stock, guys, that needs to be brought to your attention. And we also have a brand new stock on the channel that I believe has the potential to 10x over the coming decade, and this stock is now selling off from its highs, and again, we need to bring this to your attention. If you are new, then welcome to this channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below by turning on the notification bells and clicking subscribe. And if you could do me a favor at any point that you find value, make sure to go down there and smash that like button for me. It really does help out with the channel growth and also gets this information to new investors and helps you guys make as much money as possible, because that is the ultimate goal of this channel. So guys, looking at the pre-market today, we can see that Alpine 4 is around that $3.12 mark. We can see that nothing has really come out over the weekend, but we did have some major news that did actually hit the markets last week, which allowed Alpine to in fact have a significant spike up of over 30%. Now, if we come to the Twitter, we can see that Alpine's Vayu Aerospace subsidiary looks forward to introducing their small drones next week, and they are proud to expand their product line of American drone tech. And they are also saying that the Identified Technologies has been awarded a multi-year drone mapping contract with the US Army. Now, we have always known, guys, that Alpine has been working with the US Air Force for quite some time. That is why they had recently selected some of their panel members that had been on the US Army. But what is really interesting, guys, going through this article, we never know how much revenue this is going to bring in. I have had a brief skim of this today, and we can see that they are absolutely thrilled with the announcement again of this relationship with the US Army, but we never know how big these contracts are. But something I did learn from CATHY is when a company is working with the US government, those limits have almost no limit at all. So this could actually bring in some enormous revenues over the future 5 to 10 years with Alpine's subsidiary with aerospace, which is absolutely incredible. We don't know to the capacity how long this relationship is going to go on for, but we do know that they do hint in this article that this is something for the long term, that they are working with the Everglades Restoration Project, and again, this is with the US government and the US Army, and they aim to do this over the next couple of years. So again, this is quite new. This is a brand new contract. This is a brand new sector. Drone technology, again, is something that is coming into fruition. CATHY believes that this is a multi-trillion-dollar industry. Moving forward, we have only just touched the surface, and they are saying that, again, the adoption of this S-curve in the drones in the workspace, they are very, very excited because this is just the beginning of this industry. So this is something that we are going to be taking a close eye on. So guys, we will do a full update very soon on there, and perhaps maybe I will email Kent himself and see whether or not he responds to any of my emails so that we can actually get him on the channel. If you would like that, then do let me know below in the comments, and we'll see what we can do over the next month to get that ball rolling. So guys, we can see the RSI, currently we are sitting at the 50 level, so I do expect now to find out today whether we in fact close on the day above or below. That would then go to show me whether we are in fact going to have any more selling, or if in fact we are going to have any more buying. So that is what I'm looking to do with Alpine. I have now re-established my position at around that $3 price range, and again, my ultimate goal would be to get this at $2.50. So that is what I'm doing with our beautiful Alpine 4 stock. Make sure that if you did find any value that you have gone down there and smash that like button for me. I really do appreciate your help on that. So guys, a next stock to add onto your watch list that has been selling off dramatically again is a blue chip stock. Now this is the PayPal holding stock, ticker symbol PYPL. This is held extremely heavily by ARK Invest in their FinTech Innovation Fund, and we can see that the 52 weeks high of about $315 has sold off significantly, and we are now down at around $200 per share. Now, I do think that these prices are starting to look very attractive, and the long term of PayPal's future is going to be very, very good. This is a very well established company, but the only reason they have sold recently is because the Amazon have announced recently that they potentially may not be taking PayPal, into their payment scheme, and other industries like eBay as well are saying that as well. But I do think that for the long term, PayPal are going to be here to stay. This is an extremely large company, guys, a multi-billion-dollar company around the world that has been around for absolute generations and will continue to be here again in my eyes for a very long term. And once all of this short-term and downward pressure starts to come off, again, look at how extreme the volume is right now on a lot of the selling and the shorts, and we are overstretched on the RSI. I do believe that once this stock settles somewhere along here, we will then start to see over the coming 6 months, again, those new highs of about $250. So there is going to be some nice upside again in this stock over the next 12 months, and I like where this stock has sold off to. Now, again, the third stock that I am briefly going to touch on, unfortunately I do not have time to do a full deep dive today, is Sofi Technology. You guys need to make sure that you are putting this on your watch list, and if this stock does come back down to the 100 or 200-day moving averages, guys, this is not a stock to miss out. I would be throwing heavy capital at this stock around these prices, because for the long term, I believe that this stock has the potential to be over $100. Over the next 5 years, they are interrupting a major market right now, a new generation of people with student loans, and again, this is going to be a fantastic company that are growing 100% year over year, and this is just the beginning stages of this company. I don't care that Payapl has in fact sold out of his stake in Sofi Technologies. I had been investing in this stock, guys, when it did actually come onto the open market, and I was talking about this stock a few months ago. If you backtrack onto my videos, when this stock was around $14, I was saying that this is a fantastic place to load the boat because there was a lockup expiration period that was ending, and again, this share price has since shot up. We now have new price targets from around $25 to $30, guys, over the coming next 12 months, which again, from here and these prices is a 50% upside. And again, for the long term, I really believe that this company are going to continue to grow. I will actually get a full update out on Sofi Technologies very soon. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure you are subscribed for future content. I hope that you guys have a fantastic week, and I look forward on Wednesday to having some actual time where I can really get a nice video out and come on camera, because I'll have my morning off. So I look forward to updating you guys then. Have a fantastic day, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Ciao.